Here's how you can clear out or erase what your phone has learned using the Android system intelligence. I'll show you where to go to find this setting, clear out the data. This is a Poco phone with Android 15 HyperOS 2. To find the Android system intelligence, go ahead and use a quick access, and with HyperOS 2, you're looking for this system setting toggle right here. Once you tap on that here one time, I wouldn't say search for it because sometimes it doesn't show up even if you search for it. So you'll have to go down to where it says privacy, just the one that says privacy, just that here. Once you go into it, you'll see all these different privacy settings. Then go down some more past all of this here, and you will see Android System Intelligence. And as you go into it, you'll see this right here, device learning. And basically over time, as you use your phone, whether it's through apps, notifications, or just how you operate your phone in general daily, it's going to track and learn how you've been going about doing this. So if you don't want it to save all that data on you, you'll go to the very bottom where it says clear data. And once you tap on this here, you can choose to clear all data stored by System Intelligence, whether it's the last hour, last 24 hours, or all time, which basically means from the time you started using your phone until now. If you choose any of these options and you go with clear data, this is not irreversible. So if you do this, it will not be reversible. And you'll notice that some features and settings and apps and texting and all that stuff, such as suggestions, will probably not be there anymore because you cleared out everything. Like and sub.